guys, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I want to show you what I got in the mail. So Cricut sent me their Cricut Joy and some supplies to play with, and I want to show you kind of my loot. So this is a pretty exciting thing. My kids are home for 2 weeks or longer, which we know it's probably going to be longer. And I got these yesterday and I haven't opened the boxes. I've been waiting to do this video, and my toddler did not nap yesterday. So he's napping now. The two older ones are playing some Minecraft. So I figured I would show you what I got. If you haven't heard, the Cricut Joy is kind of a smaller device, kind of to do like quick and easy things around the home. So I'm pretty excited because we use a lot of label maker stuff, and sometimes I don't want to take out the whole Cricut. I don't know that this is going to be useful for everyone, but for me, I get, like, sometimes I just want something quick and easy. So I'm hoping this will do the trick. So let's see what we have here. I'm going to take out, pretty sure this is the actual Joy. We're going to open this one first. It's pretty cool. If I am like looking a hot mess, which I usually do, honestly, but if I'm looking particularly hot mess, it's been a long week. I know some of y'all probably feel me. Yeah. My husband's working extra hours right now because once they go into full lockdown, which I'm guessing is probably inevitable, he won't get paid. So he's trying to get extra hours, which means he's been gone from like 5 in the morning to like 7, 8 at night. So it's been long days. Long days. That's after the kids go back. He doesn't even get to see the kids before they go to sleep or when they wake up. So fun times. Alrighty. Boom. Okay. Here's the new Cricut Joy. So excited. So I am like, my whole goal for the whole time we're off is to go ahead and label a ton of stuff, and I want to be able to like just print stuff on the go. So this will be a lot easier. I can bring it up to like one kid's room, organize the room, go to another kid's room, organize that room. And of course this is all really idealistic considering I have 3 kids home, but my 2 big boys are really good, and the toddler kind of hangs with them. So hopefully it'll happen. We'll see. I'm not gonna hold my breath. We have goals. Currently I'm putting together so before we get started, I was like, you know, I really need a better childcare option because I've been trying to take my blog more full-time. And I've been doing like full-time work and feeling like I really don't have it together in terms of spending time with my family and also blogging full-time, because it does take a lot of time, like probably more than a full-time job. And I was like, you know, if I could get childcare, maybe, I mean, I might putting all my money at childcare at this point, but at least I'd be able to still spend some time with my family and maybe have a little bit better balance. So that's what we're going for. And one of the options we looked at is getting an au pair. And it's something I really like because we had French exchange students growing up, and I had the greatest, I had a great experience with that. I speak a little French, not much, but a little. And I love the idea of introducing the kids to French culture, and maybe someday going to visit the au pair over in her country. So, of course, then shit hit the fan. And of course, France is on lockdown, Italy's on lockdown, Spain's on lockdown. We are not completely on lockdown, but we're kind of on lockdown. There's no flights coming back and forth. So we're hoping by mid-July we can have someone come. I feel horrible because like it's hard to commit to someone coming or sign them up and then have it get canceled because of flights and lockdowns and quarantines and viruses and all that good stuff. So I'm hoping this goes. Very stressful time. I know I'm not the only one, and I definitely don't want to get sick. But we know it's kind of inevitable. So especially with my husband still working, so it's not like we're fully quarantined here. We are fully quarantined, but he is not, which means he brings it all home. So it looks like we got a few. I do love how Cricut always sends you like that initial starter project with their machines just so you don't get intimidated. You have one little thing to do to just learn the machine. So that's always awesome. Here's the machine. Look how petite it is. And looks like they give us a little pen in here. And some bundles may come with other things. I don't know. But this is what mine came from. And we've got our power cord. All our good stuff here. Interesting. Okay. I want to put this down and look at some of the other boxes for the goodies. Oh, man. This would be a really awkward time to find out I did something that wasn't from Cricut. Oh, that's not Cricut supplies. That's 3,000 rolls of toilet paper. Just kidding. We know it's not. We know it's not that. Okay, so this will definitely come in handy. We've got a little case here for it. This is going to be really nice. Again, like one of the reasons I like this machine is that I can take it around with me. So this will be really nice to have. It looks like it'll touch there. Look how cute that is. Isn't that awesome? Okay, I'm excited. I do like making some of my own covers and stuff. Of course, I haven't for my big Cricut machine. However, bags like this are pretty time intensive, and sometimes I prefer to spend my time elsewhere. So it's nice to have such a really cute bag. I like it. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like we have space for our Cricut and then for maybe our chargers. Okay, let's see what else we got. Ooh. So the thing about the Cricut Joy is that you are going to need some additional supplies. You can use like the mat and put together pieces like small scraps and stuff from your normal vinyl. But you can use it without the mat if you have their special Cricut Joy vinyl, which is kind of nice because then you can cut bigger things. The one thing I thought about using this for, besides like organization, is to do like a border around a room or something, which normally I don't like borders, but I think it would be really convenient to do with the Cricut because, well, they peel off. Like you can get stuff that's not going to stick forever, so you don't have to worry about making it a big home renovation project to take the border off. Okay, so the other thing that I'm really excited about that they have going on with this is that they have a special card cutting mat. I am the worst at remembering holidays and cards. So I love that this card mat allows you to cut a card. So what it does is there's like a layer and you tuck your card in and it'll cut the top layer and the bottom layer won't get cut. So then you just zip it right through and you have your cards. Super awesome. So this is one of the card mats. Let's see. Here's some smart iron-on. It's a pink roll. I hope there's a blue one in here. I'll use the pink though. Ooh. What's this? Oh, coaster blanks. Permanent vinyl. So as you can see, that's a big roll of it. This is 5.5 inches by 240 inches. This, if you use on your wall, it's gonna probably stick on your wall. It might not be a bad thing, but usually you want to use it for things like signs. I've used permanent vinyl on my car before as well. You do have to be careful taking it off with anything. It's like putting a bumper sticker on. Here's some more permanent vinyl. It's interesting. There's 3 pieces. It's 3 different colors. Transfer tape. Can never have too much of that. And it's in the right size for the Cricut Joy materials. Smart labels. These are what I'm excited about. So the smart labels will be really nice for labeling everything, which is what I love doing. Is anyone else obsessed with labeling stuff? I'm obsessed. And my husband, it drives him nuts because he's like one of those people that just throws things in a drawer. I'm like, no, that's a special drawer that only these things go in. That's the battery drawer. Don't touch it. He's like, why can't we just throw everything? Because I said so. Card inserts. Looks like there's a couple different colors in here. There's 12 cards, inserts, and envelopes. Pretty nice. Aha, more. Again, this is pretty much the highlight for me, being able to make cards. Here's some removable vinyl. Ooh. So that's good for borders around your room. Another set of weeding tools. Some infusible ink markers that are made for the Cricut Joy. As you can see, these are all labeled Cricut Joy. You're probably reading it backwards maybe, but we got some pens for the stylus, or stylus pens, whatever. This is the standard grip mat, and this is the light grip mat, and this is for if you want to use your current Cricut supplies in your Cricut Joy. So I got another card mat. She was awesome. Ooh. And these are deluxe adhesive backed paper. Never used this stuff. This is kind of neat. I'll have to figure out what I can do with these. Any ideas, feel free to leave me a comment because, ooh. Okay, this is smart iron-on. As you can see, it's pretty. It's pretty. So I have 3 boys, and so sometimes when I make stuff, I'm making stuff for them a lot. So usually I get blues and stuff like that. So sometimes it's nice to have something to treat myself or to make things for friends. So there's my loot. I'm so excited to give it a try and start doing projects with some of these. I'm sure you'll see them on the blog soon over at DIYDanielle.com. Guys, or ladies, probably mostly ladies, good luck. Good luck, everyone. Okay, everyone stay safe and stay home. Stay home. Okay. Take care, guys. Bye.